Today I made over 30 liters of multi-purpose liquid detergent, very thick, unavyoiona, very thick soap. So if you are there, you are stuck and you want to start this liquid soap making business, this video is for you. Like it. Whether the process is not that long, I'll just teach you in less than 30 minutes, and you can start the business as early as tomorrow, because even the ingredients are not that expensive, they are very affordable. By the way, like the video, subscribe, and watch till the end. Yes, I need this, it's called industrial salt, which is around 3/4 kgs. We also need ugalol or sodium lauryl sulfate. We also need some sulfuric acid. We also need some caustic flakes, looks like salt. We also need some soda ash. At the end of the process, you shall need some coloring. And finally, we shall be requiring some perfume to give the soap some sweet smell.
A few moments later.
Guys, I need your full concentration here. And if anything passes you, jambo likupita, don't be afraid, just comment. Just ask anything on the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. I said, let's roll. So hapo namwaga industrial salt. The base. The soda ash. Alafu sasa ni kukoroga. You stir the powders. As you see, I just added all the powders together. Isipokuwa the only powder that sijaongeza ni color. But the powders, you can put them together and stir. Yeah, the ugalol ndio hiyo. Clear thick fluid. Yes, nikaongeza, nikapinya mpaka I made sure that none remained. No chances of loss here. And then I continued to stir. I strived to stir. We add water bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit as we start, bit by bit. Already I've added like 10 liters and the soap is very thick, very, very thick. Let's see how this goes.
A few moments later.
We shall now leave this mixture of the liquid detergent to settle for the next 12 hours before we package and sell. Yep. So ladies and gentlemen, asante sana guys kwa kuwatch hii video to the end. Thank you. Ben Safaris with Habit Cleaning. Peace. I'm out.